Hello! Today I would like to introduce you to a website called Re.Vu. Re.Vu is a great program for anyone who would like to enhance their resume. Re.Vu was created by Stephen Years, Bart Clarkson, and Mike Harding. As they state, Re.Vu makes it simple and fast for anyone to create a unique and compelling visual resume. The rich combination of widgets, themes, and personalized settings make each review unique and memorable. You can sign up for a free account by entering your email address, a password, and select your own customized URL page. After signing up, you are taken to the LinkedIn Importer page. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can enter your username and password, and data will be imported from LinkedIn into Re.Vu. If you do not, you can skip this step and continue on. The next page that appears will be the personal data page. If you've imported from LinkedIn, you can verify the information for accuracy. Otherwise, please enter first name, last name. You are also given the opportunity to enter a display name, headline, and brief biography, which can be entered here as well. The text at the top of the page explains the biography in greater detail. Scrolling down, we are given the opportunity to upload our resume and personal profile photo. To add a file to your account, you can simply click on Browse, select the file, and upload. After completing basic information, we can click on the Links tab and add additional social media links to our Re.Vu portfolio. Across the top, we see many other choices. Let's start with the Timeline tab. The Timeline tab gives us the opportunity to create a visual display of our work history. We can enter company name, title, type of timeline entry, whether it's a single date, a previous time span, or current and ongoing. We could then enter from and to dates, along with additional details. You are then given the opportunity to upload an image associated with that entry. Clicking Add More Values allows you to continue to add more features to your timeline. I'm going to leapfrog over infographics and portfolio and click on Education. The Education tab allows us the opportunity to enter institution, area of study, degree, year graduated, and honors received. Additionally, you can upload your institutional logo. Taking a step back, let's look at Portfolio. If you have completed a portfolio, you are able to upload it and attach it to your Re.Vu file as well. Same process as earlier, browse for the file, and then upload. If you have additional portfolios, you can attach them by clicking Add More Values. Similar to your portfolio would be work examples. If you created documents or other examples of your work, you can attach them here. The remaining tab we have to talk about is called Infographics. When clicking on the Infographics tab, you are able to make colorful graphs and charts that will appear on your home page. Along the left column, you are presented with many options that can be added to your profile page. When clicking on Vital Stats, we are able to enter our top achievements. You can enter text, like number of days without a sick day, or college GPA. However, this section only works with whole numbers. Is Job Duties. The Job Duty tab allows you to create a graph showing how you allocated your time at your last position. This is a good opportunity to show off your skill set. Speaking of skill set, the next tab, Skill Evolution, allows you to show how your proficiency has changed over the years. If you're just starting out your career, you can enter your skill level now and continue to update this profile as you advance in your career. Similar to the prior section, Proficiencies gives you the opportunity to list your entire skill set in a different format. The Quotes tab gives you the opportunity to showcase a saying that represents you, perhaps a song lyric, or something that someone once said about you. Steve is a great team player, very analytical and thorough. He is willing to go the extra mile to meet an objective. Below quotes is percentages. Here you can enter accomplishments that can be expressed as a percentage. 95% of your students passed the end of course exam. Your sales growth improved by 125%. The next tab is pastimes. This tab allows you to show what you do when you're not at work. Companies may be looking for a well-rounded individual who spent time as a volunteer or increasing their skill set. The next tab allows you to indicate your personal interests and how they have changed over time. Maybe in the past, you were really interested in developing games, but now you are more interested in creating open source software. The final tab is languages. The language tab allows you to enter any foreign language you may speak. After entering the language, you are given the opportunity to select your level of proficiency. That completes the general overview of the Re.Vu program. As you create your own profile, you can design your page any way you prefer. You may have noticed during the overview that some of the sections overlap. After entering relevant data, you can add and remove portions of your profile based on your own preference. I created a review page for a fictional character named Anita Job. It can be found at re.vu/Anita Job. So let's take a few minutes to review Anita's account. Below her name, we see a photo. And we talked about how you could upload a photo, and that is what I've done for Anita. On the links page, I was able to add a link to Anita's portfolio, which is hosted on Weebly. When I created Anita's profile, I imported information from LinkedIn. The LinkedIn logo appears on her screen. If we click on that, we would go to her LinkedIn profile. Below that, we are taken to the timeline. And if we look at the timeline, it shows all the careers that she has had. She was a support staff at Riverbank Zoo, first responder with the fire department, and a library assistant at Lexington County Library. When I entered these tabs, they were entered as ongoing events. I was also able to add single date entries, like the day she graduated from USC or the day that she was sequestered. Below the timeline, we see her education. I uploaded her school logo. I listed her bachelor's degree and where she went to college, along with her major. Below that, we see vital statistics. She's gone 735 days without a sick day, had a 4.0 GPA, and has read 1,092 books. Below that is job duties. This gives us an idea of how Anita spent her time with her last employer, conducting story time, assisting customers with checkout, conducting research, maintaining circulation files, and teaching students search techniques. Below job duties, we have a quote. Anita is among the top 5 people I have ever created for a school project. Her ability to problem solve and work with angry customers is second to none. She is also exceptional working independently or in groups. Anita often goes the extra mile when asked and frequently takes on tasks that were not assigned her in order to assist the team. She is a true asset. And that was written by Charles Devlin, her supervisor. Below quotes, we can see pastimes. And this gives us an idea of what Anita does when she's not at work. We see that she volunteers at a food shelter, she spends some time reading and blogging, she spends some time at fitness, learning new skills, and just spending time with her family. And below pastimes, we have languages. And if we look at languages, we see that Anita has professional proficiency in Spanish and limited proficiency in French. This is the same information that was on Anita's resume. However, now it is displayed in a different format. I believe the review program is a nice way to enhance anyone's resume. This is the same information that was presented on Anita's resume. However, now it just has a little more of a visual appeal. I believe Re.Vu is a great program that is worth a look. Have a nice day. I believe Re.Vu is a very nice program and gives job seekers an opportunity to display themselves in a little more of a colorful way. I believe Re.Vu is an excellent program and everyone should check it out. Have a nice day.